Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're having the issue that you cannot set your time zone manually due to device restrictions, let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically there are some content and privacy restrictions in your phone, so you just have to go for screen time settings here. Go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. And once you have disabled all the restrictions, it will almost fix your issue. Go for settings, go for general, go for date and time, and you will find the option here set automatically. You just have to disable that, and then you can easily or manually choose your time zone, or you can search for your own time zone. Or after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to go back again, go for screen time settings, and this time you have to turn off screen time completely. So you'll find a turn off screen time settings here. Once you have turned off, your issue will be fixed. Now you will be able to automatically and or manually change your time zone in your iPhone or iPad or any iOS device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.